people see when they view your LinkedIn profile. I mean, who visit your LinkedIn profile, how to see. So currently I'm using PC. If you are a mobile user, a Mac user, anything, same method, but dashboard are different. So after login on my PC on LinkedIn account, so left side you can see profile viewers. So keep in mind when you have a paid account, you can see all the data, but currently I'm using free profile. That's mean I um, able to see last 90-day data. You can see two person last 90-day visit my profile, and I can see uh, themselves, and someone at you can see some of profile picture hide because they are private mode allow, private mode turn on, so I cannot see who are. So this is a method how you can see who visit your profile on LinkedIn, or what people see when they view your LinkedIn profile.